Molly, why do you need this chapstick?
Because I want it.
Why do you want it?
Because
What is it about the chapstick that you want?
my lips feel really bad.
Your lips hurt really bad?
And I want some of that chapstick.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese. I love you.
I love you.
You're so pretty. We need to get the house clean before Daddy gets home.
Yeah, because he's gonna get freaking mad.
Oh, he will get mad, won't he? Do you like lipstick? Mm-hmm. Are you a girly girl? Mm-hmm. Oh! Careful. Bonk.